Good morning. Good morning. It's Friday. It's Friday. You have successfully completed 2 weeks of virtual education. 2 weeks of virtual education. It is Friday, September the 11th. Man, this is a sad day for the country um, because it commemorates something that tragically happened 19 years ago. In fact, 19 years ago, I was in graduate school at Bowling Green State University, working my assistantship, when all of a sudden my coworker Linda pulled me into the room to watch the news on the Today Show. I'll never forget that day. I'll never forget that day. But this is not that day. This is September the 11th, 2020. And today is a great day. And to get started with the greatness of this day, let's say our pledge. About to say our prayer. Let's say we may need to say prayer too, but let's say our pledge. I am smart. I am gifted. I am a learner. I am a scholar. I am preparing now for my future. I am the main ingredient in my success. Every lesson won't be easy. Every concept won't be learned the first time. I may get frustrated, but I won't give up and I won't quit. I will try. I will strive. I will thrive. I will achieve. I will succeed. For I am an example of excellence. Clap one time. All right, so yesterday we began Unit 1, dealing with rational numbers. And we worked with understanding that positive and negative numbers are used together to describe quantities having opposite direction of values. And so we talked about negative, positive, and zero. We talked about absolute value. We talked about real world contexts. We talked about integers. And we also talked about clever. And that's where we're going to begin today because for whatever reason, a lot of people were not able to get to my assignment. And can I tell you, I figured out why, I believe. So let's look at this. This is my clever page. So this is my clever. And let's look at this because in my clever, there's in Bradford's page. So when you log into Clever, that's what you go to. You go to my class page. But let me tell you what I see in my class page. Can you see this? I only have 36 of my students logged in to my class page. Now, when you go to my class page, you go to one of the apps, and the app I want you to go to is the Khan Academy app, because the Khan Academy app is where your assignment was yesterday. Now, this is the teacher page. So when you look at it from the teacher page, look at what you're going to see. Let's look, because I need you to see this. So it's loading. Now, let's look at this. So in Miss Fry's class, only 10 students have registered. These other students are pending. These students will appear in your class report once they log onto Clever and choose Khan Academy in their portal. So you have to log into Clever and then choose Khan Academy. Now, if you're unable to log into Clever, you need to type email t3 at pgcps.org. Let me go ahead and do this because you need to write this down. You need to email t3 at pgcps.org. That's a dot. You need to do that so that they can give you access to Clever. Some of you are new students, which means you still may be in your old school's Clever listing. You may need to go and change your password, whatever you need to do. But once you get into Clever, that's T3 at pgcps.org. Once you get into Clever, then you're able to go. So all these students in Ms. Fry's class can't even access their assignment. All right. Here's my homeroom. All these students in my homeroom can't access the assignment because they haven't gone into Clever yet and then logged into the Khan Academy portal. And Xavier, you didn't do it from your school account, sir. And then look at this last class. This is Miss Wheeler Norman's class. All of these students, right? So you have an assignment. It's Khan Academy. You have an assignment. So look, only 2 students read the article. That's 2 students. I know who they are, but I'm not going to talk about who they are. They know who they are. They completed the assignment. So that's 14 students in the class, only 2. So that means 12 of these students. And these are students that are already logged in and could do it. They haven't done it. So we need you to get it done. We need you to get it done. We need you to get it done. All right? It's the same thing in each of my classes. I can go through all of my classes and look at who's registered. 11 students are registered, but they haven't taken it. So we need you to get this done. That's yesterday's assignment. Today is a brand new day. So let's go back to Clever, because today you're going to go into Mobius Math. Mobius Math is another app that's in the portal. When you click on Mobius Math, you're already assigned and you have a workbook that you're going to do, 4 pages. Okay, well, you're not doing all that. What you're going to do is this assignment right here, which is problem solving based on negative integers. And you're going to do page 1, and you're going to do page 2. You're going to do page 1 and page 2. And you're going to do that by Monday. Page 1 and page 2. Now you could probably do page 3 and 4, but we're going to work on that next week. But you're going to work on page 1 and page 2. Page 2 asks you to shade and label. So you simply shade what it looks like. If you have to put in the number, you just click on it, type in the box. But this is Mobius. So that's what you're going to do today. Today, if you haven't done, first of all, you're going to go back and do the Khan Academy, and then you're going to do Mobius. And so we're going to close today by giving you the video that's in this Mobius that I'm going to put in the link because I want you to watch it, but we're going to watch it together real fast. It's a 3-minute video. So we're about to watch it right now.
Positive numbers on a number line represent their distance to the right of the tick mark for 0. Notice that the measurement bar is measuring the distance from 0 to each number. Negative numbers on a number line represent their distance to the left of the tick mark for 0. Once again, the measurement bar is measuring the distance from 0 to each negative number. The opposite of a number is its mirror image across 0. In this example, the opposite of 4 is negative 4. Likewise, the opposite of negative 5 is 5. Notice that taking the opposite of a number changes the sign of the number. Measurement strategies can be used to plot and label positive and negative values on a number line. In this example, 2 yellow bars span the distance from 0 to 2. Since each yellow bar is the same length, the length of each yellow bar is 1. Once the length of a bar is known, it can be used to measure and label other points on the line. For example, 1 to the right of 4 is 5. Notice that 1 to the right of negative 4 is negative 3. This answer can be justified by noting that the point is a distance of 3 to the left of 0. Another way to justify this answer is to note that the opposite or mirror image of 3 is negative 3.
So again, that was the video that I'm going to share in your link today. I am sharing this video as a link today to go along with your Mobius assignment. But again, your Mobius assignment, when you go into your Mobius, it's only going to allow you to go to this problem solving. You're going to click on it, lesson 1 and 1, and you're going to do page 1 and page 2. Page 1, 9 questions, and page 2. And that Mobius should be seen in your Clever. So you will go to Clever, you will go to my page, Mr. Bradford's page, in Bradford's page. You will let me know you there by replying here. Then you will make sure you're logged into my page, and also make sure you've gone to Khan Academy and to Mobius Math. So the Mobius Math assignment is due on Monday, but the Khan Academy assignment is due tonight, or at least by the weekend. So you have a lot to do. It's not hard. It's just going to require you diligently working, but you can do it. So it's another weekend. We're expecting you to be safe. We're expecting you to take care of yourself. We're expecting you to try your best, make up on some of this work. You've really been working hard, and we're really proud of you. So if you have any questions like you have been doing, and email me, I will try to answer them, but don't get frustrated. Remember, use your problem-solving skills to navigate Clever. This is not your first year using Clever, nor your first year using Khan Academy, nor maybe Mobius Math, but you're going to be champions of it in just a little while. So have a good weekend. I will see you on Monday. Bye.